this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. Today I'm gonna show you some fixing tool for your floor, your furniture, other stuff. You see this tube of paste that I bought in AliExpress. This tube of paste, you can fix your floor, your wooden furniture where you have some hole or color is white out. It's come with different color, different version. So I have bought in AliExpress and I'm gonna try with you. Let's see how it works. The packaging is decent, common basic package. Nothing special, nothing fancy. Okay, it took so much time to come here from AliExpress from China. It took me a lot, almost a month. Okay, price is not so much expensive, $1.8. That is 1 point some euro. To the pack, throw this one side, and you see nothing special, is a tube only, and packaging, some serial number, nothing else. Okay, we take this off, and I will try different places. Here we go. I bought according to the color of my floor. You can see the color of my floor. So this is something as brown color. So I'm gonna try this one. This tube contains 25 grams of paste, color paste, to close some small hole of your floating floor or wooden floor of furniture. Nothing fancy. Let me take this off from here. I think I can. It's hard though. So I'm gonna apply this paste. Okay, here you see I have white paint. So if I put this one, it will be so much dark, the color. So I will do some technique. You see I'm using this plus, extra plus. This is white sort of cement for furniture, for basically this is for wall. So I'm using for my floor too. Let me show you. But this is something as white. What I will do, I will mix and I will prepare a paste with this one. This color, let me see. Take a little bit. As this here I put. Okay, and what I will do, first I will put a little bit color on this. You can see I apply a little bit color because this is very strong. I mix them up. You see, more lighter version. You see now is better looking more as the color of the wood. This I'm gonna apply here. You see how it's changing. Prepare this tool is look more straight than brush or other thing. Look more professional in this case. You see how it's changing? Is almost disappearing the line of white from the middle. Beautiful. Look as there is nothing at all. So you see how the white color edges almost disappear. You have to work a little bit hard to fix them all. So this is the tube you see. You can buy for your floor, to fixing your floor, furniture, other things. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.